You've been experiencing a cough and trouble breathing since you've been in the home more. What type of doctor should you see? If you're working from home because of the COVID-19 quarantine, you could have more exposure to mold in your home than usual. If you're experiencing a respiratory emergency, go to the emergency room or an urgent care facility. Always tell your doctor if you have seen mold anywhere in your home. If you have a mold report, show it to your doctor. Even if you do not have a mold report, be sure your doctor knows there is mold in your home. I'm David Carter with the Mold Firm. Tell us your mold story.